Good morning to all of you. Andariki Shubhodayam. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Shankar. For jurisprudence students, I have given a lecture on the Enforcement Directorate, which was established on May 1st, 1956, to look into mainly the PMLA Act, that is Prevention of Money Laundering Act. It has got wide powers like power of search and seizure, power of freezing the bank accounts, attachment of the assets, and also lastly the arrest of the offenders. I put it last because CBI is there. CBI and ED almost they behave like sister concerns. CBI, it investigates beautiful cases, the cases which have got interstate or international ramifications. ED mainly focuses on economic offenses, the offenses against economic laws, the financial crimes they take up. In this connection, I have given the example of Byju's 2011, Byju's Ravindran, how he contracted the USA company, ultimately how they have entered the NCLT, where in enclave, how they have eliminated the name of the US partner and they wanted to make compromise, which the Supreme Court found and rebuked them. Today, I want to tell you Mr. Shankar's case. It has come in the press. I have seen it in Telugu that the ED attached 10 crores worth of properties of Director Shankar. Director Shankar is a very famous and familiar person for Tamil Nadu and Telugu industry. Very recently, his film Game Changer was released in Andhra Pradesh, where Ramcharan was the hero. Of course, I think it is a debacle. It did not fare well. Very recently, Bharati 2 also did not fare well. But anyway, Aparachita, when you think about Bharati, Aparachita, Gentleman, or way back Aishwarya Rai's film, Jeans, very, very famous film, very famous director. Of course, one or two films may fail, but we can't say that he is not. He's a very popular director. Okay. Now, as far as this ED case is concerned, one Tamil Arunathan, Arur Tamilnathan, in the year 2011, he filed a case of violation of Copyright Act, 63 of the Copyright Act, alleging that Mr. Shankar has copied his novel by name Enthiran, 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 yes, repeated. And Mr. Shankar infringed the copyright and made it a film Robo. Robo is a very, very successful film in which Talaiva, Mr. Rajinikanth was the hero, Aishwarya Rai was the heroine, and it's a grand success. Of course, the case has been running from 2011, and actually the government or the court appointed Film and Television Institute of India to look into the matter, whether it is a piracy, whether he has infringed the copyright like that, or whether there is plagiarism. Ultimately, the F1 Institute held that there is almost 90% plagiarism in the movie. That means almost deceptively similar. The Robo film is based on the novel Enthiran, and both of them are deceptively similar or similar. You may be knowing those people plagiarism ante PhD చేసేటప్పుడు PhD చేసే వాళ్ళకి ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. సహజంగా మేము కూడా LLMలో డిసర్టేషన్ అని ఉంటుంది. Dissertation is almost equal to PhD thesis కిందే ఉంటుంది. So we looked through different subjects. My subject was euthanasia. I brought a book from USA. ఒకటి కొనుక్కొని తెచ్చాను, దాని మీద రాశాను. ఏదో మొత్తాన్ని గూగుల్ డిఫరెంట్ వెబ్సైట్స్, డిఫరెంట్ బ్లాగ్స్ అన్నిటినీ చూసి వీ హ్యావ్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ సమ్ థీసిస్. ఇన్ దట్ కనెక్షన్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ మెన్షన్ ద నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆథర్స్ అకార్డింగ్ టు సోన్స్ బుక్ అని కూడా రాశాం. ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఏంటంటే మీరు చూసుకుంటే మన ఏపీలోనే కుప్పం ఏరియాలో ఒక యూనివర్సిటీ ఉంది, పేరు చెప్పలేకపోతున్నాను. సో వీళ్ళంతా ఈ గూగుల్లో చూసిన దాన్ని కాపీ కొట్టేసి ఈ యొక్క పిహెచ్డీలు తెచ్చుకుంటున్నారంటే ఒక అపప్రథ ఉంది. ఐ డోంట్ నో వెదర్ ఇట్స్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్. లెట్ us hope that it should not be correct. దానికి టు చెక్ ది మినేస్ ఆఫ్ ద సో కాల్డ్ కాపీ ఆర్ ఏమంటారు అక్కడ కట్ కాపీ పేస్ట్ని అవాయిడ్ చేయడానికి ద టాపిక్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేజరిజం హ్యాస్ కమ్. So a plagiarism app, if they suppose if you submit a thesis, if it is drawn through the plagiarism app 90% or 70% or 60% తప్పన క్లియర్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. 30% వరకు యాక్సెప్టెడ్. జస్ట్ లైక్ యువర్ బ్రీత్ ఎనలైజర్ టెస్ట్ 30 mg ఆల్కహాల్ ఉన్న ఒప్పుకుంటాం కదా, అలాగా ఇక్కడ మోర్ దాన్ దట్ ఇట్ అమౌంట్స్ టు ప్లేజరిజం. Yes, plagiarism 90% is there. That means he has violated the so-called copyright provisions and made good of the money. As a result of which, so there is the PMLA Act, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, the ASED, that is Enforcement Directorate, they have attached 10 crores worth of properties of director is Shankar. So, please remember, they can impose fine of 3 times. Suppose 10 crores, then 30 crores వసూలు చేయవచ్చు. So that is the power of Enforcement Directorate. I think if you know this much, it is sufficient. So thank you very much.